50 common English sentences in the simple present tense.
Let's learn English with daily English moments.
I get up at 6 a.m. I go to school every day. I have breakfast at home. I like English. I play badminton on weekends. I watch TV in the evening. I walk to work. I read books every night. I drink coffee every morning. I study English after work. She works in a bank. She likes cats. She cooks dinner for her family. She listens to music every day. She goes to the gym twice a week. He plays football after school. He drives to work. He watches movies at night. He reads the news online. He eats lunch at the office. They live in a big city. They go shopping on Saturdays. They work together. They study English with me. They enjoy traveling. We have lunch at 12. We go to the park on Sundays. We like music. We clean the house on weekends. We watch YouTube every day. My mom wakes up early. My dad drinks tea every morning. My sister studies very hard. My brother plays games after school. My friend helps me with homework. The bus arrives at 7 a.m. The store opens at 9 a.m. The store closes at 10 p.m. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. I need help. I want a new phone. I feel happy today. I know the answer. I remember your name. It rains a lot here. It looks good. It smells nice. It tastes good. It works well.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Daily English Moments for daily English practice.